yeah, so we can take our things here.
So guys, we are going to the airport now and it's our vacation. And we are going to check in now. This is Geneva Airport. A lot of people doing the queuing now. And welcome to Geneva Airport. We are here in Geneva. That's Geneva Airport. Here we are, pasok na tayo. 11:55. There, Tenerife. There, Canary. It's not ABCD.
Back there.
So, hanapin natin yung gate natin. Punta na tayo doon sa gate natin for check-in. So, guys. Ito.
Ayan. Daming tao. Daming tao, guys. Kasi season ng holiday season ngayon. Madaming magbabakasyon. See you later.
So, check-in na tayo. Dito tayo magche-check-in. Machine na tayo check-in doon.
Guys, tignan niyo yung decoration ng Christmas dito sa loob ng airport. At meron tayong makita ano doon.
Melt. But it looks like.
Ah, yes. Ayan. Andito tayo sa airport ng Geneva.
It's nice. And a lot of people, guys. Pasok na tayo. So guys, we saw already our gate and we are in A2. We are in A2.
First time juniors in that airport, huh?
So good morning guys. For today's video, we are going to spend our holiday in Tenerife Island. It's in Grand Canary Island. It's located in the Pacific Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean. Okay. Guys, meron tayo nakitang cow dito. Ito siya. Picturean natin siya. Ayan. Yes. Dahil tao. Tapos meron siyang small cafe na kapehan dito. Guys, meron tayong nakitang Christmas decor doon with Santa Claus.
It's the Christmas decor here with Santa Claus. Yes. So guys, this is our gate to anywhere. Going to Tenerife Island from Geneva Airport.
That's our time. And then we are going to ride the EasyJet.
Au siège supplémentaire. Tous les autres passagers ne sont autorisés à prendre qu'un seul bagage à main. Lorsque vous êtes appelé à embarquer, veuillez vous approcher de la porte où on vous demandera.
So guys, time to go. Dito na tayo, check-in, tapos pasok na tayo sa airplane. So guys, dito na tayo. Papasok na tayo. Then see you later. Bye-bye. Pasok na tayo sa tunnel. So guys, ang daming tao. So we are here now. So guys, nandito na tayo sa loob ng eroplano. Ayan po, ang ating eroplano ay EasyJet. Yan ang tower, ng signal tower ng airport ng Geneva. Ayan, yung mga tao ngayon.
Je m'appelle Emily, je suis à votre service aujourd'hui. Je suis accompagnée de Anna, Leila et Mickaël. Nous sommes ici dans votre confort et votre sécurité. Si vous avez besoin de quoi que ce soit, n'hésitez pas à vous faire savoir. Sachez que l'équipage du jet parle le français et l'anglais. Nous avons aujourd'hui un temps de vol de 4 heures. It is a circular flight to Tenerife. My name is Emily. I'm the training manager on today's flight. And we wish you a very Merry Christmas for today's flight. Just for your information, today there is Miguel, Anna, and Leila. We ask you to make a journey safe and comfortable. If you do need anything, please feel free to ask. For your information, the cabin crew speaks French, English, Spanish, and la plus grande attention.
Please pay attention to the illuminated signs and crew instructions. The location of the emergency exits is shown on the safety card and is demonstrated by the crew. Please make sure you know where your nearest exits are. They may be behind you. Emergency lighting will guide you to an exit. Pull on each side to adjust. Put on your own mask before helping others by pulling the toggle. If it doesn't inflate or needs topping up, blow into the tube. There is a light and whistle for attracting attention. The crew can help you with life jackets for children. Please look at the safety card in your seat pocket before takeoff.
first officer speaking from flight information before the arrival in Tenerife. We have the island of Lanzarote on the left end of the aircraft in the next 5 to 10 minutes visible for you. We'll then start the descent and we expect landing in the next 15 minutes. At quarter past 3 p.m. local time or 20 past 3 p.m. local time, depending on the traffic. We have 22 degrees on the ground and a few clouds at the moment. I wish you a very nice day and hope to see you on board very soon. Bye-bye. Cabin crew, please prepare the cabin for landing.